So hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account even if you don't have access to your linked email or phone number. This method works in 2026 and I'll guide you step by step, so watch carefully. First, see if you're still signed in on any device, your phone, iPad or browser. If you are, try adding a new email or phone number and verify it. This is the easiest way to regain access quickly without going through support. If that doesn't work, go to the Roblox login page and click Forgot Password. Enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA, and follow the verification steps. Once done, you can set a new password and log in again. If you use this account on a browser or password manager, check saved passwords in Chrome, Gmail, or your password app. This is really helpful if your account wasn't compromised because you can recover without contacting support. If none of the above works, you'll need to contact Roblox Support. Fill out the account recovery form with your username, date of birth, and an email you can access. Choose the appropriate help category, either hacked account or forgot password, and provide proof of ownership like purchase history or previously linked emails or phone numbers. After submitting, be patient. Roblox may take a few days to respond. They may ask for extra info, but once verified, your email and password will be updated and you will regain access to your account. We bring more tutorials like this, so make sure to subscribe our channel, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.